You have no authority to take that camera.
It was just like old times. I was out doing some research along the border of Area 51, which I haven't seriously done in decades now. I was just south of Rachel, Nevada, and just north of the Nellis Range line, wholly within public land, when these guys, these camo dudes in a white pickup truck, started following me. Now, they were very shy fellows. Whenever I pointed my camera toward them, they would back up into the bush, and the only time I got close to them is when they screamed by me to get to their border. Now, they were watching me always at a safe distance wherever I went, and I decided to play a little game on them. I parked my car on one side of the road and walked up in the hills on that side. And as they watched from the distance, I snuck around the back and came up behind them.
You have no authority to take that camera.
So what happened next? Well, I kind of skedaddled and they kind of skedaddled in the other direction. We never really had much of an encounter. He sounded like he was really going to take my camera, though.
You have no authority to take that camera.
Now, these fellas in the white pickup truck, these camo dudes, they are not government employees. They work for a private contractor that works for the government. Still, I'm wondering what the government's policy is. Are we back to seizing film and cameras just like the 1990s? If we are, we're in for a grand old time.